All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach, doing a walk around video on this 2016 Honda CRV. Great vehicle, but again, these videos are meant to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever so that there's no surprises. So we're gonna start right up here with the front bumper. Front bumper's in good shape. I've got a little lens coming to replace this right here. Other than that, everything looks real good. Little tiny scuff here, nothing crazy. Headlight looks good. Second headlight looks good. Hood looks real good. No major scratches, dents, or dings on the hood. Front fender looks excellent. Tiny little ding right here. Front wheel looks real good, and this looks like it's got a matching set of brand new tires. Side view mirror looks great. Driver door looks excellent. Basically, the driver's side looks real good. No major scratches, dents, or dings on the driver's side. Rear wheel looks excellent. You got a tiny little scratch right here, but again, that matching set of tires looks good. Rear bumper looks real good. Tail lights look fantastic. Power lift gate. There's a ton of room in the back of this car. The jack and the spare tire assembly are all intact. Passenger side looks fantastic as well. No major scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel looks good on the passenger side. Front wheel looks good again. A couple of little scuffs on the rim, nothing crazy. All right, driver door. All the buttons look fantastic. Leather's in great shape. Driver's seat looks real good. Dashboard looks fantastic. Steering wheel looks great. This does have lane departure as well as adaptive cruise control. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. It's got a good looking headliner. It's not sagging anywhere. Rear seats look real good. Okay, let's take a quick look here. All right, this does have navigation. There's no warning lights on the dash. Steering wheel looks great. It obviously does have Bluetooth. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Take a quick look at the rear seats. Rear seats look fantastic. Get a look up underneath the hood, and that will conclude our video. Very nice.